Today I'm sharing with you how to make Vietnamese grilled pork, also known as Thit. So start off with the marinade, and you're going to want to marinate this overnight or at least for 4 hours. So the marinade consists of shallots that are minced along with minced garlic and 2 lemongrass that are finely chopped. The lemongrass, you only use the bottom 5-6 inches. Want to smash it to get all the flavors out and then chop it up. Make sure to remove the 1 or 2 outer layers because they're just too hard and not edible. A lot of people use pork shoulder for this recipe. However, we don't like our meat fatty, so I like to use pork tenderloin. So add your aromatics along with the black pepper, low sodium soy sauce. I love using oil in my meat marinade as it not only locks in the moisture, but it helps spread the marinade more evenly. It browns better when you start frying it. And to make the scallion oil in a small saucepan with hot oil, add green onions and set it aside. Anytime I am cooking meat, I always love to use a cast iron pan. So in a large skillet on medium-high heat, add fish sauce along with sugar and sesame oil and unsalted butter. You want to melt the butter and then add the marinated pork. I'm using an extra large cast iron skillet, but if you're using an average size pan, then you might want to do this in 2 batches. You don't want to be steaming the pork, but rather browning the pork. Do that by creating one single layer and cooking it untouched on each side for 5 minutes each. You want it to be nice and brown like this, almost to a crisp, kind of like carnitas. So you can eat the grilled pork in many different ways. You can just have it simply with rice or in a banh mi sandwich, but in this case, I love having it in a vermicelli noodle salad. Top the salad with the grilled pork and then add the scallion oil on top. I like a bit of crunch to my salads, so I like to add chopped peanuts. Drizzle it with fish dipping sauce, and then you have yourself an incredible meal.